What's up, family? Today I'm going to be talking about selling put options. I'm going to be talking about how you can make money selling puts and how you can buy stocks at a discounted price and the risk of selling puts. But there's not really a risk if you do the strategy right. So let's get right into it. So when you think of selling puts, you should think of selling puts as if you're an insurance company, right? Let's say car insurance, right? But instead of you selling car insurance, you're selling options and you're collecting that premium up front. And in return, you're insuring that buyer of that premium, right? So now when you're selling put options, you're agreeing to buy 100 shares per contract of a stock at a strike price, right? Which is a predetermined price, and instead of the buyer. Now, if it doesn't reach that strike price, the contract will expire worthless. It'll be out the money, it'll be worthless, and you keep that premium and you don't have to buy those shares. So I'm going to be using Bank of America as an example. Okay, so let's say if you guys wanted to get Bank of America at, let's say, $23. So when you're selling puts, you are going to make sure you click sell and you click puts, right? Now, let's say if you wanted to get at $23. So if you wanted to get Bank of America at $23 a share, you can collect $5 up front. And if Bank of America closes at $23 by the end of this week, you can buy it at $23 a share, which is going to be about 23. Now, the further out you go, the more money you can collect. So let's say we go almost a month out, which is September 25th, right? That same $23 a share, you can collect $38 up front to get it at this price. Now, if Bank of America never reaches that strike price of $23 a share, you can collect the full premium. And then if it does, you can collect the premium and you get the stock at a discounted price. So you can pretty much use this strategy to create consistent income like every month. Not You can collect premiums. You can use this either weekly, you can use this quarterly, yearly, and you can also use this strategy to buy a stock at at a discount because you know that the stock's going to go up. I recommend buying stocks that are stable, that are good quality stocks that if it does go down and you get it at a discounted price, that it can go back up. I would say the biggest risk would be if you get the stock. Let's say if you get Bank of America at $23 a share and Bank of America ends up going down to $20 a share. Now you're going to get it at a loss. I would say that's the biggest risk. I would say the other risk would be that you actually have to have the money to hold it as collateral, right? You're going to have to hold $2,300 as collateral. And then I would say the other risk is just profit profit that you will miss out on. Let's say Bank of America never gets that close and it just ends up keep going up and you really wanted to get in, then you would just miss the upside potential, but you still collected premium. So that's pretty much what I would say are the risk. And the further out you go, the more that you can collect. Let's say if we go to December 18th, that same $23, we can collect $138 up front. And when you collect that money up front, it's yours, right? You could buy some more stocks. You can pretty much do whatever you want to do with it. Now, if you wanted to do this, you would click right here, right? And then see you would get $138 credited to your account. And remember that they're gonna have to hold $2,300 as collateral. So if you were to click one contract, right? You see you'd get this deposited into your account, and then when you click review, you're gonna have to hold $2,300 as collateral, but you get $138 upfront. And now because I don't have the amount of money for collateral, then I would need to deposit money. So that's pretty much how you can make money selling puts and the risk. Selling puts is an amazing strategy. I mean, Warren Buffett even uses this strategy, and that's how he was able to get Coca-Cola at a discount. When you think a stock might be over overbought and you think it's gonna fall down, you could got it at a discount. I mean, I'm pretty sure some people made some money selling puts before Corona happened, and they were able to get stocks at a discount. Now most of these stocks already went back up, so it's an amazing strategy. If you guys do the strategy, please comment below. And if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.